Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is KILENNYK, para los que no me conocen, and thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Si es tu primera vez on this channel, make sure that you guys subscribe down below before you guys leave. I want to see you guys again here. Please leave a comment, give this video a like, share this video with everybody if you guys want to. I just want to thank you guys before I start from the bottom of my heart por todo el amor que me han dado últimamente here on my channel. I appreciate every view, every like, every comment. I love you guys, and let's just, keep on growing together. We can do this. Yo sé que podemos. Yo sé que podemos. By the title of this video, ya ustedes saben what I'm going to be doing today. I'm pretty much just doing my interpretation of Coachella. Hella Coachella. I'm gonna be creating a makeup look, and I put a little accessories. Let me show you real quick. I accessorized it too. This is what I think of Coachella. Si tú agarras y me dices vamos para Coachella, esto es lo que yo me voy a poner. This is literally what you're gonna see me pulling up with. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, just keep on watching this video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video and every other video that I post, and I love you guys, and I will see you like now, ahorita. O sea, sigue mirando, dale que lo va a ver. Ya, vete para que lo vea. So my face is very moisturized already, and I did my brows, como pueden ver. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna apply this primer. This is a Scandinavia primer. Ellos tienen los mejores para like long lasting. So for this type of event, like Coachella, I feel like you want your makeup to stay on all night long. I've never been to this kind of events, pero yo pienso que te gustaría tener algo en tu maquillaje que no se te vaya a ir el maquillaje, después de unas cuantas horas. So I'm going to be applying this primer. This is like I said, Scandinavia. It's a little trial, but it's really bomb. So I'm going to start with this bougie foundation. I didn't purchase it myself, but I got it, and it is the Dior Air Flash foundation. I've heard it's really, really good, so I'm going to be trying it out for the first time today. Señora, esta foundation es cara. Eso fue lo que yo vi. Yo no la compré, pero es cara. This might be a little too on the pink side. Oh God. I'm looking myself in the monitor and it doesn't look that bad, but I don't know. I'm on the yellow side and I feel like this is too pinkish. Moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and now, contour and conceal. I usually conceal like with powders just because I'm more on the oily side, but lately I've been on the dry side since I'm using like some acne products that are kind of like drying me out a little bit. So I'm actually gonna be contouring and concealing with creams. Like I said, I usually use powder for actually the contour, but today I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. I haven't used this in such a long time. I'm gonna take a combination of these two colors. I'm going for like an extra contour today. That is dark. I usually don't contour down here, but I think I'm slacking. Yo, what am I doing? Who am I right now? Like, why did I just go there? I don't know what's happening, y'all. Like, I'm just gonna blend these out. But anyways, now I'm gonna take a bronzer and pretty much just like finish up like blending the contours, just to like, you know, set it and make it right. I'm gonna be using this Makeup Forever bronzer. So I'm gonna do a little bakey. I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This powder is amazing, and you want a really good powder to just set everything, you know, for a long night ahead of you. Now that we have that baking powder in place, I'm hoping that, you know, helps out with that crazy contour that I applied before. Voy a continuar con los ojos. For today's eyes, I'm gonna be using this palette that I think is so bomb. It is my first time using it though. I don't know how well it works, but it looks beautiful. It is this Desert Vibes palette from IBY Cosmetics, I think it is. Look how beautiful. I mean, if this doesn't scream beauty to you, I don't know. Ya yo tengo los ojos with primer. I don't want to do something crazy with this palette. I'm probably going to use this palette again just because I'm trying to do the Coachella look, and you don't want to be like overboard with your makeup, even though I just went overboard with the contour, but that's another case. Yeah, you don't want to go overboard with your eye makeup, so I'm just going to do like a little something simple, beautiful. This palette is so gorgeous. And it's like Desert Vibes, which is like, you know, Coachella, you know. I'm gonna start by taking this color right over here, Take a Hike, and apply it all over my lid. Next, I'm gonna take this color right here called Vitamin D and apply it on the creases of my eyes. Next, I'm gonna take this color right over here, this glittery pink called Instant Story, and apply it on the lower lid of my eyes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the baking powder. I'm gonna use this little brush from Sigma. This is the F39, and I'm also gonna be using my pure powder. This is in the color Tan Hail. And what I do is that I tap, and now I'm gonna go ahead and blush my face, give my face a little bit of a color. I'm gonna be taking the Balm Cosmetics Trio palette. These two up, like the two pinky, just because I feel like this was more like a bronzer, and I'm already pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the eyes. I'm gonna go back to this palette, and I'm gonna be taking Heat Wave, which is this color right over here, and apply it on my lower lash. You guys, I don't know, but like, I'm just feeling this look. It is so cute. I'm still very undecisive if I'm gonna wear lashes or not, but for now, I'm not gonna bore you guys with the same mascara because you already know that I love that mascara. But I'm still staying in the same brand. I'm just giving you another mascara. Like, I'm sorry, I can't move past it. Lo siento, no es mi culpa que las mascaras sean tan buenas, pero I'm gonna be using this roller lash from Benefit Cosmetics. It is so bomb. You guys know that I'm obsessed with that gal, so I'm gonna give you guys another one, you know, just in case. Yeah, I think no falsies.
Plus, like, I feel like when you go to those type of events, como que tú no quieres tener pestañas porque por ahí comienza tú a brincar como una loca, and all of a sudden your lashes start coming off, and then you're like, crap, I don't have lash glue. Like, it's not the time to be like uncomfortable. You see what I'm saying? Like, I think like you should just rock your lashes, grab a really amazing mascara, and you should be fine. See what I'm saying? Unless you really don't have any lashes, then you should probably wear like individual lashes, not like the whole strip. Right? I think so. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some glow to the face. I'm gonna be using the Sigma Chroma Glow. This palette is creams, honey. Coachella festival, you know, so beautiful. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and mix this too, and I'm gonna apply it on my inner corners and also as a highlight. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lipstick. For lipstick, I'm gonna be using this Sigma lipstick. This is in the color New Mud. So I decided to add a little bit of color. It's like a very magenta, pink, purplish look. Just a little bit, I'm not gonna put a lot. You guys, I'm done with the look. I just gotta, you know, change up a little bit, and I'll be right back with the whole, you know, Coachella vibes, and I will show you guys in a little bit. Like I see it. I don't know about you. Like I see Coachella. Do you guys see my little two braids back here? Like, so Coachella. Look at my earrings. You know, the glasses, the see-through glasses. Like, this is my interpretation of Coachella. Like, si tú me dices a mí como que, agarra, vámonos pa' Coachella, this is the type of outfit that you're gonna see me arriving in. And talking about that, I'm so upset. I was actually invited to like a couple parties out in LA for, you know, Coachella and everything, but I don't live in LA. I don't live in California, period. I live in Florida, and I literally just got back from LA, so that means that if I go, I have to, you know, book a plane and all that. Like, my wallet needs a break, so I'm not gonna be going. But anyways, I've moved on from that. Anyways, yeah, this is the finished look, people. Did you guys like it? Did you guys like it? I am actually living for it, but it's like 12:30 at night. Where the hell am I gonna go looking like this? Maybe like Walmart, pero ¿pa dónde voy yo a coger? Well, you guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys like this whole look. Let me take the glasses off real quick so you guys can see, you know, what's happening behind that. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Please subscribe. I want to see you guys again. Leave me any comments down below in the comment section, and you guys can share this video if you guys want to too, you know. I don't get mad. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.